Hi.
Okay.
Just starting.
She brought me her little red conch thing.
Uh-huh.
The squeaky one. She sat, lay down. I threw it, and she stayed laying down there.
Why?
We walked over to it. She didn't pick it up. She wanted Lovey's. And she just brought it to me.
She just brought it to you just to bring it to you.
Yes.
Saying it needs to go into her toy box. Which she can put in her own toy box. I've seen her put her toys away.
But she wants the ball.
I know she wants the ball. She always wants the ball. Hi and welcome back. Still hot. My work has us in the office this upcoming week, so I've been meal prepping all week. We're going to go ahead and make some German potato salad to go with the roasted meats that I've already made, and the canned charo beans and vegetables that I've already canned. This is the reason why we can, is so that we don't have to worry about men heating up the oven. We did have a little bit of a rainstorm yesterday. We got about 5 drops on our windows, and created a humid environment for the rest of the day. It did drop everything down to 80 degrees, and today it is now again 106. So everybody's having a bad hair day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and prepare the potatoes. We're going to boil them to just tender, and then take them out, and then we're going to fry the rest of the vegetables together and then make the sauce. We're kind of cheating today because we have things that need to be used up. I'm using ready-made bacon. And I do also have bacon grease that have been saved in a jar to use, and we'll use that to fry up the vegetables. We have onions. The original recipe does not call for bell peppers, but I like the sweet bell peppers in this. And best to use the small potatoes. They're not so starchy. You can use regular russets, but rinse them off first and let them soak in water so that the starch comes out of them. We're going to cut these into bite-sized portions. Some of these are going to be halved, some of these are going to be in quarters. And whenever we boil them, they're probably going to be boiled for about 10 minutes. While the potatoes are boiling, go ahead and cut up your onions, and I've already cut up the bell peppers into sizable chunks. Now, 1 onion, 1 3-pound bag of small potatoes. I like the green, the bell pepper, so I'm adding a yellow one, an orange one, and a red one. But you can add just one if you want, because these are large onions. So this is going to be probably around 3 cups for 1 onion. So it's a very, very large onion, very happy. Okay, and we'll go ahead and wait for the potatoes to be soft, and we'll continue. After about 10 minutes, and they're just fork tender, you want to drain them and let them drain. Don't rinse them off, and just leave them in there to cool down a little bit, and then we're going to use the same pot to fry up the onions and bell peppers. We're going to go ahead and use some bacon grease, about a good glob, 2 globs. Glob is a technical term. Let that melt a little bit and then add the vegetables. You want these to fry up and be translucent. Cooked all the way through. And to this you want to add salt and pepper as well. About a teaspoon of salt. Half a teaspoon of pepper. And let this cook down. Until you can see through the onions. And I have this on medium, so it won't take too long. Now after that has cooked and completed, add about a cup of crumpled up bacon. And then we'll go ahead and get into adding the rest of the ingredients. And we're going to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. A half a cup of white vinegar. I don't have a half a cup. I'm going to substitute with red wine vinegar. This is about 1/4 of a cup, which is about half of what we need. About 1/4 cup of water. And see how it's kind of soupy? You want to bring that up to a boil. And then add the potatoes. The potatoes will soak up the liquid, the vinegar and the starch and everything else like that, or the vinegar and the water. So it just needs to come up a little bit more of a boil and then let it sit. You can have this in the refrigerator overnight, or you can serve this hot. Now if you want to thicken this up a little bit, you can add some xanthan gum to this. I'm going to let the potato starch do that for us. It's a quick video this week. I'm dripping. It is hot in here. Even with the air conditioners on full blast, it is 106 degrees outside and nothing is bringing this down. No matter how much air conditioning you have in your house, there is no relief. So I'm going to go ahead and turn off the stove and work on. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Thing number 1 is home. Go.
Let it out.
Hi.
Hi.
It's hot.
Yeah, that's my entrance.
Yeah, I know.
That's
Yeah, your grand entrance. Well, it is about time for the UB get home anyway.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Hi. So, thank you for joining. Hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next time.